Alright, guys, so Mula Suku Sabi. I could not even sleep last night because of this. Because of this. Whole night order people got Asia. This one is going to Bihar, this one is going to Delhi, to Assam Jawalase, and this one is going to Guwahati. Guys, in this video, we're going to be surprising Sep Naga and his family with a custom play button. So, I can explain before I start this video. So it was last year. Last year, Sep Naga pro video upload like explain why his channel taikile do silver play button na pauchi kuna. So moi ito video side and then something strike me. To tai to 100,000 subscriber puncha dem de tai tala channel talab dikta ushi. So because of that tai to silver play button YouTube pro tai kena dia ushi. And yeah, honestly, I'm a big supporter of Sep Naga family and his channel. So taigi ni do 100 ekta milestone punchina ito reward na pau yado, it feels like incomplete for me, right? So mo bi ekta decision luina taigi ekta surprise dio ko na ito silver play button do, not silver play button but a custom play button. So taigi surprise dio ko na aji ayeshe finally man diri postpone ko na ina aji finally mo ta kang mo jana ta lagori jawala sitia on sati mo jon halfway there sitia jana ta lagori taigi surprise dio la. So I'm really excited for this one. Ito na I'm be excited sa kusikula. Watch this video till the end.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, mohon finally na Sep Naga family lago punje siya. Mohon ki motive price siya jana tayo log ko na tayo surprise video and then tala reaction sa na jay ako. I'm so excited for this one. Abni be excited sa kula, just comment down below. Abni kina tala reaction kina ko la se expect ko na se comment down ko di. Alright guys, so I'm finally with Sep Naga family. Sep Naga loda si tia brother Sep lago tia. So brother Sep, first before we get into the video, apni mo ahado kiniga all of a sudden thagi siya oli mo ahado kiniga feel over se and then how I'll explain go di.
Man खुशी আছে like brother আমি দুজন তো like পুইলা ওর কন্টাক্ট হইছে বলিবি একবার বি মিট আপ করব পার নাই সো জাস্ট yesterday মহান প্রোগ্রাম করছে তো তাই কালি রাতে আইছে বলিবি বুকে লক নাম
না পারা
সরি তাই কি স্ট্রাগল করে দিছি মই নিমিতে চাকলি কাম থাকিছে ওলাই যাচ্ছে তো বলিবি it was so nice to meet you আর এটা তো সেকেন্ড টাইম
হলিবি yeah same with me
আর ইয়া also reality de সুন্দর আছে আর handsome আছে জগড়া তো
like he's been saying mohan Instagram no hilo WhatsApp tiyo contact ko thake na holi this is the first time in person take a look
in person
and he's such a really good person like phone de pra take support ko thake holi in reality ekbar bhi dikhai na but in reality take aji dekhi se mon khushi paase and then kadin down without any delay mohan aji ki karne aise take ki karne log paase au take koi di o holi take na ko ke de moi this is the main reason itu karne moi ase
killer surprise ani ase jo mujdo
So moi to surprise to apni ke ki karne apni ki la surprise diwala sa apni ko diyo de
acha
itu just kidding Nicola said the real surprise is here.
Sure.
So moi to before I reveal this surprise to him moi explain ko do moi ki le to apni do diye se
chalo
so it was last year moi apni na video ekta sai ge se
acha
sai ga tamte apni ekta video upload ko de why you did not get a silver play button, right?
acha
Guys, some of them might know tai kile silver play button na paushi for crossing 100 subscribers 100,000
yes exactly
for crossing 100,000 subscriber because usually YouTube pro 100,000 subscriber pass ko shule content creators kan ke silver play button de do for achieving that milestone, right?
Yes, exactly.
But tai ki problem ho she exactly ito na tai na paushi so mo ito video sa tamde mo ekta something strike me. So I was thinking like, and as a supporter,
sure.
tayo na pausi to mo bi ekta mun chinan hoy na mun aram na boy na. I was thinking like, okay, YouTube pra tayo na diyaw siya so mo pra ni custom made ekta na, custom made ekta kuna tayo video kuna. I was thinking that and but holi time na pay na log bi na pausi and mo bi banawa na pare na.
Acha.
Postpone ko thake na finally ji na log paise.
Aya.
Apni to sexual kandi jao holi. But anyways, that is the main reason amo ito karna isip ni ke forget about the cover to man sundu no heli man diris like say moi last year July ito time te banai chhi do holi September apni contact she apni health karne ki karne lok na pawi she then pani girai na to apni hala rasta bi busia gole dikta thai se moi
oito ye man busite oli lai program dekhi na oito
but itu box to 7 months ago karne mon purana hoise but forget about this cover bitor the key is it do it that matters, right? So apni khule na viewers kan bhi dikhai na kung bhi so yes open it up and then apni sign up viewers kan bhi dikhai de kini ka se so just yeah Just look at it. Moi durilo.
Oh my god, this is it. Yes. Oh, you like YouTube laga usala bhi perfect like kina ase YouTube te kina pai ni ase to hai. Bishi khushi bai che to usabe moi asol to na like discourage kro to moi nijor ke discourage kro to moi YouTube na pagani moi video vlog na dan lawo to.
Hoy.
Or like tade bra moi la channel to ni like ki laga randomly kura shuru je moi.
Now honestly because ito alag normal ono kange hoy kun hoy de this is like nothing but for content creators ito do mohan kane to ekta dangor achievement ekta na so mohan man duk paina man mun dina sacrifice kona video banana ekta milestone punchina alag man kan paili mohan na pawdo ito ekta discouragement ekta nisna na
Oh yeah,
so
thank
like,
you so much.
yeah, I feel him so ito na take this is like one of one na dunia take la
Usa like first time aro like kumbi iman tok to kura moi na jane life te oli first time I hekina mi tu dia do bishi khushi ase aro like movie tu laga bhavana te bishi thaise Libi pa napai ki kuru moi to ita bi still moi apply kurbi napai moi diwe moi bishi discourage
Chora chilo jine se
choda silo chance given to me like
okay
moi na parao che like na parwo kushi YouTube pra na so like thank you so much
it's fine no
YouTube pagane bishi khushi ase
Anyways,
thank you so much
tagi dina tala festin ne cheers dikha to movie pane china se still like moi la chino to 9000 te so libi it's like movie pane china hoise
Also, thank you so much there once again. Like kumbi mantok to bhavana nahi holibi amena brother bro mantok ami nimite sacrifice korna sabido Glass TV YouTube itu sob original lagas de pen korala nahi de apni han feel kuru parbo jana manudo imam moza bra banai jaru mola nam tok bi Glass pro ina banai de do aya bishi thanks de in return mudo ku do na payo
just
morom bra telaga channel bi subscribe kurbi amena brother telaga to ita to video telo content to finance and business ase aru itu kla noina talaga previous vlog khan bishi alag bishi ase so apni am bi check out korbi aru ami hana viewers takile to morom bra tela channel bi subscribe korbi mu jane ase most of our viewers are moi nimite jana bad comment likhibula ase olibi that's okay ku noy ami hana brother bra kor disha je aru itu Nagaland the first time as de he is the only one like kum brabi man to koina dinna dedi holibi as mu first time ina YouTube laga Tai he YouTube la malik khushi mila na feel grace ya bishi khushi ase mula magyangi bi dekhao to jagah rang bi dekhai devo bishi khushi de
and I'm very happy movie take di dia to mun aram paisi na because mun diri pending hona movie take di hona pana mun aram na paisi as finally take di se mun aram paisi and then aina tala gode bi take log paina in person take log puna take interaction hona bishi mun aram paisi
bishi khushi paise so ina do expect ta kana aro inya gu bhavana nai ami ando any mujin to like contact kori thake or like for video tailo de banabo ko tha to ita to like video kami movie na banai na vlog na banai na nya tha ka ase nelbi I'm sure moila vlog tv to la video to hibo so moila vlog bi jana check out ko de apna all right
so ite jana mohan save nagala wife ke mistress ke dikhai dio mohan tai channel ke present ko shigna
mo YouTube silver play button paisu de
This is a dream come true for me. I mean, just look at their reactions. It is pure and priceless. Seeing the joy in their eyes, the gratitude in their hearts, at that moment, I feel something much deeper than just pride. I feel connected. I feel inspired and grateful. This wasn't just a play button. It was a symbol of appreciation.
Alright guys, so apni kan sob dikhili che mohan same naga family ke to present kori china to custom play button do it was the reaction was really wholesome moi ma khushi paisi ta kan ke dina ta kan reaction dikha to and then yeah thank you so much for watching this video till the end apni to tak sai de kan bishi things che that was our main motive for visiting him gonna take a present kori che mohan itia video wrap up kodo and with that being said I'll see you guys next time.